In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the risk-reward tool in TradingView step by step. Before we jump in, here's why this tool matters. The risk-reward tool helps you plan a trade visually, showing where you intend to enter, where you'll take profit, and where you'll place your stop loss. As you adjust those levels, it instantly calculates your risk-to-reward ratio so you can quickly see if a trade idea makes sense. Start by looking at the left toolbar in TradingView. Find the Prediction and Measurement Tools icon. It looks like a small ruler with a diagonal line through it. Click that, and you'll see options for long position and short position under the Risk-Reward section. Choose long position if you're planning to buy first and sell at a higher price. Choose short position if you're planning to sell first and buy back lower. Picking the right one just flips the visual so your target and stop makes sense for your trade direction. Next, click once on your chart to place the tool at your intended entry point. You can drop it near your planned entry candle or at a specific price level. Don't worry about being perfect on the first click. You can refine everything by dragging the handles. You'll notice two main handles. The top one controls your target, also known as take profit, and the bottom one sets your stop loss. Drag the top handle upward for a long trade, or downward for a short trade, to set where you'd like to exit with profit. Then drag the bottom handle in the opposite direction to define your maximum acceptable loss. As you move these, the panel attached to the tool updates automatically, showing your risk-reward ratio, estimated percentage move, and the distance to each level. Take a moment to watch how the ratio changes as you adjust the handles. Many traders look for a ratio of at least 2 to 1, but the right number depends on your strategy and the market's volatility. If your stop is very tight in a choppy market, consider widening it slightly and adjusting the target to maintain a favorable ratio, or reassess the setup entirely. Use this tool to play out different scenarios. Move the entry slightly, adjust your stop to a logical technical level like below support or above resistance, and see how the reward target lines up with recent swing highs or lows. The goal is to find a balanced plan that fits your strategy while clearly defining risk before you take the trade. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.